Being a caballero has shaped the person I am today because it's just given me a community so that I could thrive in things I love to do, like band and even just being in school. It just makes it a lot easier because of the sense of community I have.
Being a caballero has made me so confident in myself because there's just always a community around me that I know that supports me.
Choir that dragged me out of my shell even if I didn't want it to. It made me confident in being able to talk to everyone. Basketball, I just met so many people there that were great friends to this day. Photo, it showed me that I'm allowed to be creative in ways that aren't too conventional, I guess. It all just shaped me into the person I was supposed to be.
Flowing Wells has influenced my path in many ways. The support at Flowing Wells for students and teachers is out of this world. It's like none other. And it has shaped me into the teacher that I am today. I would not be where I am without all of the people along my journey through the Flowing Wells world.
Flowing Wells truly impacted me because I came here thinking that I wouldn't fit in, and then I found agriculture. I feel like that really fueled my passion for all the things I already love.
Being a cab has shaped the person I am today because I think I've become a more outgoing and adventurous person. Most of the people at Flowing Wells are very extroverted and enthusiastic people, from the staff, the students, anyone you can go up to and just spark a conversation with, and it's honestly contagious. I think it's spread to me and I've grown a lot as a person from that.
There's going to be a Flowing Wells after I'm gone. There was a Flowing Wells before I got here. I'm part of an organic community that's been around for decades, and that's a pretty cool thing to realize. And without exception, the comments are always positive. There's something special about this place.
Soccer helped me grow the most because I was trying to fit in with my peers and they were always there for me too. We could talk about anything just in that little community. We all get along outside of school and inside of school, so just having them is a big impact on me too.
The Flowing Wells Science program is really helpful and really nourishing. All of the teachers have been so involved and so helpful, and I think that they've really pushed me towards science more just because of how much they helped me with it.
I'm really proud of the fact that I'm able to do so many things. I'm able to be the ILS teacher, I'm able to do student council, I'm able to do ambassadors. It's more than I ever imagined as a teacher, and I think it's just great that we have the opportunity to do it.
El aprender inglés, porque yo llegué aquí sabiendo nada de inglés y gracias a Flowing Wells High School aprendí inglés.
Because the school is very focused on improving generally. Also, it's just very kind to people who aren't as seen.
I grew up in this district. I went to elementary school here, the junior high, and now I'm at the high school. So I've had friends since elementary school, and I've loved being able to see them grow up and me grow with them. And it's been amazing to just change as people together.
I hope I remember all the basketball games me and my friends went to. Miss Lodge, Mr. Brenton, they make their learning environment very welcoming.
My first freshman football game, then I had my first touchdown on a run play. That was probably my favorite memory that hopefully I'll always remember.
Definitely say my first dance showcase where I helped choreograph some of the dance. And it was actually kind of funny because we were rushing because we were almost too late for the dance.
Flowing Wells is everything to me. For the last 31 years, I've been so lucky and fortunate to be able to be here, call this place my home. Flowing Wells has helped me become a better teacher. It helped me become a better dad. It's helped me become a better person.
The teacher that made the biggest impact on my life was Mr. Mann. As I had him freshman year, I didn't really like school. I wasn't a talkative person. I didn't really like to talk to people that much, but he's so optimistic and enthusiastic that I took after that and decided that's what I want to be, make people's day.
20 years from now, I imagine myself as an endocrinologist. It's for diabetes, and I want to specialize in juvenile diabetes, so I can help little kids know what's going to be happening and stuff.
A lot of teachers, especially during junior year, are just trying to help us get scholarships and put us on the right path rather than getting out of high school and not knowing exactly what to do.
All the shows that we did, like Outsiders and Peter and the Starcatcher specifically, are the ones that come to mind. Those ones were the ones that I really loved doing and figuring out. And the practices and then eventually getting to do
do the shows. It was so fun, and I really hope I remember the process with that and all the people I've met along the way doing that.
High school is not going to be easy. There's always going to be work and it's going to be overwhelming, but just keep doing your best. Even on the hard days, just try and communicate, because that's pretty much all we can do. So just try doing that and see where that takes you. Try looking on the bright side, even though it's hard.
Be involved with a lot of things, stay on top of things, ask for questions, even though it's scary to do so, and just have fun in high school.
Join as many things as they can while they're here. That's what makes Flowing Wells so special. We have so many different clubs, organizations, sports teams. There's really something for everybody. So just join as much as you can.
I think everybody at some point in their life is going to feel lost. I think that is just part of the journey. I think as long as you are grounded in virtuous and moral principles that make you feel fulfilled and that you are being a good person, as long as you stay grounded in those, your purpose or what meaning you're finding in your life will come later. I think that feeling lost a little bit, being in those trenches, is just part of the journey. Getting out of them with sound principles in a fulfilling manner, I think will just come with time.
Take the freshman year slow and don't over prepare yourself. Like in 8th grade, they tell you you're gonna have a lot of homework, and you might, it depends on the teachers, but just don't over prepare yourself and make sure you join stuff that will give you more friends in high school.
Remember who you are, remember where you came from. Don't let other people dictate what you do or your life, really. Life is too short to be spending it on another person's desires, and just to be yourself. Find what you're passionate about and do what you love.
Being more social, family is definitely a presence here at Flowing Wells. Just making a bunch of different relationships with different people, go meet someone new. Try something new.
I'm a Spanish teacher, so I'm going to say this in 2 languages. Nunca te rindas is never give up. Sigue luchando. Keep fighting for your dreams, for those things that you want to do, to be able to accomplish your goals. Life can be tough, and there are the ebbs and flows, but you have to use the community around you, help each other out, and keep fighting, keep going.
Being a caballero has shaped me in being a better person to myself, and being true to myself, and being true to others also.
I would like to remind myself how ugly Labubus look, because they're so ugly looking.
Stop sign, what stop sign?
The quarter zip and matcha.
Speed, my mom's kind of homeless, I need this.
I would like to remind myself that 2026 is a new 2016.
2026 is the new 2016. It's just everything's coming back, finally.
Something that is trending is 6'7".
6'7".
6'7".
El 6'7".
6'7". 6'7".
6'7".
6'7".
6'7", 6'7".
6'7" memes.
6'7".
6'7".
6'7". 6'7", 8, 9, and 10.
6'7".
He's 6'7".
6'7".
6'7".
6'7". May it rest in peace.
Flowing Wells is awesome sauce.
I'm tired of this, Mr. Thomas.
Well, that's too dang bad! Keep digging!
Well, excuse me.